In this video, I'll show you how to change the interact and reload behavior in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. All you have to do is launch the game and access the settings by pressing the menu button on your controller. And then from here, select the settings wheel icon and then scroll down and select the controller. Now within the controller section, navigate to the combat section and then scroll down and find the combat advanced settings. So select that. And then scroll down and find interact/reload behavior. So by default, it's set to prioritize reload. So you can select that option and choose from the options that are currently available. And with each option, there's a brief description of what it's all about on the right side of the screen. So find the option that you prefer. So let's say prioritize reload. You can select that and exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.